What's going on, Tony and Ronys? This your boy Tony TV. That goddamn bumblebee. It always messes. Every time I come outside, that bumblebee always tries to attack me. I kid you not. I'm gonna get that song, bitch. I'm gonna show you. Look. I told y'all. Look at that bumblebee. Y'all see it right there? Look. Right there. Look. Every time I come outside, it tries to attack me. I'll kid you not, bro. It's two of them. Look, oh, no, two of them. Look at them. Look, see them? Look at them. Y'all see it? Look. Look at them. He's just waiting for me to come outside so it can attack me. I'm trying to tell y'all. These bumblebees around here ain't no joke. Oh, shit. Let me put, oh, God. These bumblebees ain't no joke. I tried to turn the TV down. Every time I go outside, it floats right in front of the door every day. He goes right around your face. He goes right like in your face. I kid you not, man. I'm gonna get that son bitch. I'm gonna get him. Let me turn my light on. It's dark in here. I hope everybody had a great day, man. I'm talking about bumblebees. I'm hungry. I hope everybody had a great, awesome day. I'm gonna be making some chicken and rice, man. Yes, chicken. Calm down, Tony. Calm down. Alright. Chicken and rice. I'm gonna be adding some different I got a bump on my nose.
Oh, he needs some milk.
And it's very annoying. I'm gonna use some different recipes for the chicken and rice. I love chicken. I just grew up on chicken and rice, man. But yeah, that's what I'm making today. I already cleaned the chicken. The chicken has been cleaned. Always. I don't mess around when it comes to cleaning chicken. I don't mess around. And I'm gonna bake the rice. I don't know how I'm gonna do the rice, but enjoy the video, guys. I love y'all so much, man. Y'all awesome. And let's get to cooking. Alright, I'm gonna start out by putting some water in the pot. I'm boiling the chicken, okay? For the guys that don't know how to make this, I'm gonna boil the food is hot. I'm gonna boil the chicken. Alright, let's add this chicken. Hopefully it all fits in there. I'm gonna be very mad. I don't think it is. I might have to dump some of this water out. Yep. Alright, I'm dumped out. I dumped out most of the water. Now I'm just going to add some seasoning oil. Okay. We're going to add some chicken and broth. Okay. Ooh, making a mess. Chicken broth and water. Alright. I grew up making this. And I grew up always using seasoning oil. Always. So that's what I'm just going to continue to use. And I also will use some pepper. I got some pepper here. Use some pepper. Pepper. Alright. And I wanted to add just a little bit of, let me make sure y'all can see the light. My light's not on the way. Okay. I also wanted to add a little bit of this garlic salt. Okay. Like I said, I want to do something a little differently today. So, we're going to do a little bit of this garlic salt. Voila. Alright. Now, we're going to let that bad boy cook down. So, we're going to go ahead and grab this lid over here. If I can get it without making a mess. Alright, here we go. Here with the lid. Alright, add the lid. Bam. I got this on high. Let's turn it down to about a 6, or about a 5 or 6, because we just wanted to boil and get done within an hour. Okay. Now, with that being done, I don't know what else to do. Alright guys, chicken been boiling for about a good hour, okay? This is what it looks like. And it smells so delicious. It smells really, really good, man. Like boiled chicken with the right seasoning tastes so good. If you've never had boiled chicken with the right seasoning, it's like a must try, man. That chicken just be so good. So good. I had y'all like that. So it's really good. Okay. I gotta make the rice next. I'm kind of confused on how I'm gonna make the rice. Last time I made rice, I put it in the oven with water, covered it, and I made the rice like that. Normally when I make chicken and rice, I boil my chicken. So I'm kind of in a dilemma on how I'm gonna make this rice. So I don't know. All right, y'all, we got the right rice. What I like to do with the right rice is I like to rinse it off. Y'all can see a big difference. I'm gonna use a little cold water. Like you can see, look at that. Look how white that is. Look at that. I never used to rinse my rice off until I saw somebody do it. And I was like, what the heck is that? But look at that. Look at that, it's like milk. So now what I do when I make white rice, I rinse until it's clear. And that go right out. Now I'm gonna do is just keep repeating until it gets a little clearer, okay? Yeah. Alright, the rice been washed, it's clean. You go ahead, throw that bad boy in there. Alright. Alright. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep filling this up with water. Need the water, okay? This should be enough. You want, I heard when you put the rice in, it should be a little bit off your finger. Like it should be barely. Yeah, so there we go. I have some chicken, what is this called again? Chicken, this is what it is. Since I don't have the chicken stock, so I'm just going to substitute this. So we're going to add that in here. Now we got that going. We're going to add some butter. Alright. And should I get that a good stir? Yeah. Let me give it a good stir. Let me give it a good stir. That stuff smells really good, the chicken stuff. Yeah. I might add another pack. Look.
You're lucky it says sodium free, or it won't be happening.
I'm gonna add one more pack. I'm gonna break up this this butter so I can get. Alright, add some more. Alright. I'm gonna give that a good stir. Now we got thyme. I did get you put the other one up. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna add some thyme to this. Just on the top. I could have sworn we used that other stuff.
That's oregano. That's what you want to use. You don't need a lot.
Alright, we're gonna add some to the top. That's it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it up with some aluminum foil and throw this bad boy in. Guys, the rice been in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes. This is what... Look at that rice. Look at that rice. Nice, fluffy rice. Take the chicken. I'm just going to throw that in that rice.
Bones and all?
Bones and all. That's how we used to do it. Pick it out as you go. When you get all the chicken in there, you want to dump some of that good old. That's I hate this part of chicken, but you're gonna just have to pick it as you go. That's how we did it back in the day. Nothing wrong with a little bone here and a little bone there. Sometimes you see a bone like that, just pick it out, toss it to the side. When we was growing up, we used to pick them out. Woo! Used to pick them out the food and just going our way. Ah, God, that's hot.
Yes, babe. It's hot.
All right, I'm trying to get as much bones as I can, as y'all can see. Like it's mad bones. I cut most of the bones out the chicken before I put it in here. This is
What, baby?
too much rice for
Look,
me. Look, I don't care.
We like rice.
Oh,
Not just all meat.
I know, I get it.
Might as well just eat a dang going chicken.
No.
Goodness.
See that? I'm just gonna pick it up. Get some of that juice in there. I'm making a mess as usual. I mean, that'll do. Alright guys, the food is finally done. Chicken and rice. My childhood meal that I absolutely love, okay? This was just like chicken and rice. I don't know why my screen looks so dark, but there you go guys. Chicken and rice. My absolutely favorite. I absolutely love chicken and rice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I'm gonna do a little taste test for you. I'll be right back. Chicken and rice, first bite. I already know it's gonna be good. I absolutely love chicken and rice. They always laugh, but this is really good, guys. Chicken and rice, you can't go wrong with chicken and rice, man.
It's cheap and easy.
The rice like $2, chicken like $5, $6. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Perfect.